Hello, I'm Tom. Making the right decisions regarding a young person's mental health can be a pretty scary prospect, particularly when it comes to medication. So here are 5 tips that might help. Get professional advice. The internet, social media can lead you towards false and misleading information. And while you may have heard good things about a particular medication, what worked for one person may actually be harmful to someone else. So make sure you get advice from a GP, pharmacist, or the Child and Adolescent Mental Health Service. And don't be tempted to buy online or use other people's meds in times of crisis. Ask questions. There are always going to be pros and cons to any medication, so try and find out as much as you can about its benefits and balance that against any potential side effects. Talk to others whose experience may help, and when speaking to mental health professionals, be curious. Remember, there are no silly questions. Share decisions. Any decision you take needs to be a shared one between you, your child, and the clinician, each taking the necessary time to process the information, consider each other's perspective, and chew over the pros and cons. Although making decisions together may take a little longer, it's better in the long run as it gets everyone on the same page. Be realistic. While medication can help, it needs to be seen as a piece of jigsaw, along with many other pieces. Diet, exercise, sleep, and social life all have a big impact on mental health, so encourage them to have a good balance of all of them. Therapy and physical activity also help, and it might be the meds that give the boost to give confidence to try new things. Finding the right combinations of medication and other pieces of the jigsaw can take time, so be patient. But ask for review if it really looks like the medication's not working. Keep things in perspective. Opting for medication can bring mixed emotions, from a sense of relief to a sense of defeat, which are both perfectly normal. And while it can help them to get through a tough time in the short term, remember that it's not forever. Try to see it as an important stepping stone to getting well. And make sure you continue to work together as a team in evaluating progress and monitoring any side effects. You've got this.